Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to find your Facebook watch history on Android. If you want to see all the videos you've watched or rewatched something, this is super easy to access. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll land on your main feed with posts and videos. Now, tap on the Reels icon at the top tab bar. It looks like a film icon. This opens your Facebook Reels section, where you can watch Reels by scrolling. From there, tap on your profile icon that you can find at the top right section of the Reels. Here's the thing, you'll see a lot of options related to your Reels and videos, such as saved Reels, liked Reels, shared Reels, and so on. The option we're interested at is the History option. Tap on it. And there you go. You'll now see a complete list of all the videos you've watched on Facebook. This includes videos from your news feed, watch tab, groups, pages, and anywhere else on Facebook. You can scroll through to see when you watched each video. If you want to watch something again, just tap on the video and it'll start playing. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Facebook watch history. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.